I'm Milind Patil. Today on 18th August, I am going to discuss about the topic database mapping. So, first of all, what is database mapping? Database mapping is a process of matching fields from one database to another one. Okay, it is a first step to facilitate data migration, data integration, and other data management tasks. Okay, data mapping is an essential part of many data management processes. If there is no database mapping, then the data is surely corrupted. Okay, before going to its destination point. Okay, so data mapping is uh, necessary to successfully insertion of the data. Okay, so now the next one point is the various techniques of database mappings are: the first one is a one-to-one mapping, second one is a one-to-many mapping, and third one is a many-to-one mapping, and fourth one is a many-to-many mapping. Okay, so we have to discuss about the one-to-one mapping. Okay, one-to-one mapping is relation specifies the one-to-one relation specifies that an entity A is only associated to only one single instance of uh, another entity of the B. From database perspective, suppose assume that if the table A has a one-to-one mapping with the table B, then each row of the table B have a foreign key column which refers to a primary key of the table A. Okay, so it is about the one-to-one mapping. Now the other point is a one-to-many mapping. So the one-to-many mapping means that the one row in a table can be mapped with to the multiple rows of the another table. For example, take an example that you have to add the student into the batches. Okay, so in that case uh, in that case uh, take the batches can have the many student, means the one batch can have the many student. Okay, so it is a relation of the as a one to many mapping. Okay, so in that case to compile that program or compile that instructions, we have to add the object of the student class to the batch class. Okay, as a variable. Okay, so by that process we can achieve the one to many mapping. Now the next point is the many to one mapping. So many to one mapping is a relationship where one entity contains the values that refers to another entity, a column or a set of columns that has a multiple that is a unique values. In relational database there there may be one relationship also are obtained and processed by foreign keys primary key relationships, and the relationships typically are between the fact and the dimensions tables and between the field reverse in a hierarchy. Now the take an example same as the student batches. Okay, so in that case in the many to one mapping means the many student can have the one batch. Okay, so to achieve that we need to call an object of the batch class to the student class and use it as a variable of the student class. Okay, so next point is the many to many mapping. Many to many mapping in Hibernate is required when each record of an entity may have the many link records in another entity and the vice versa. Okay, so the best example of the many to many mapping is suppose you have use and the online app for learning. Okay, in that app you can see the various sections like the Java course, C++ course, Python course, and uh, and any student can have access of the any course. Means you can take also the Java course, you can take also the Java plus C++ course, or you can also go, take the all the three courses. And any course can be taken by the multiple candidate. Means the Java course can be taken by infinite candidates. Okay, who wants to learn it. So in that case, we are it's the best example of the many to many. Means the many students can have the Java course, many students can have the Python course, and the many and a student and student can also have the many course. Means a single student can have the Java plus Python course, Java plus C++, or the courses. So it's a best example of the many to many course. Okay, thank you, sir.